You know, back in the 80s, when the Popo used to drive these Mustangs, and that's because they was fast. They used them as pursuit vehicles. And so what I want to do is, I want to show y'all a fine specimen of a pursuit vehicle. And I'm going to do a money shot out the gate. What you think? Y'all like that? Stay on. Welcome to North Carolina. When y'all guys used to see that, and that thing with the flashing on you, you knew that you had seen a bad day.
Because they told them, so they go by the book value.
This is the Popo. Yes, sir. That's a nice car there. Hot pursuit. They used to light them up. And this is what they used to run. I'm in North Carolina, and I remember seeing them very well. Tell me what y'all think. She clean, ain't she? That's nice there, ain't it? Hey, look, I just wanted to do a couple of cars, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you another segment, so y'all gonna have to tune in to see all of these videos. It's your boy again, Built on the Budget. Peace.